This is really a question about vocabulary. There are several things that you need to know. First of all, corresponding sides. There's a couple of ways you can do this. If you can see from the picture, then I can see they've not rotated anything, so corresponding just means matching sides. So this WZ matches with AD. This WX matches with AB, and so on. That's what we mean by corresponding sides. You can also tell from the similarity statement. This little squiggly symbol means is similar to. If you have the squiggly with an equals underneath it, that means congruent to. Congruent means exactly the same. Similar means that basically same shape, different size. So here our statement says ABCD is similar to WXYZ. So we've got the same shape but different sides. So same shape means that the angles haven't changed. The angles are congruent. Different size means it's changed its size, but in a predictable manner. The sides are proportional. So if I multiplied all my side lengths, if I multiplied this blue by 1.5, that means all my sides would have a 1.5 ratio. If I multiplied it 3 times as big, all of my side lengths would be 3 times as big. That's what we mean when sides are proportional. So let's go through what makes sense here. Are the corresponding sides congruent? So that means, is WX congruent to or identical to AB? No, that is not true, because that would mean that the shape would never change side. Are the angles proportional? So that means, did I change the angles by a common factor? No, that is not true. It is sides that are proportional and angles that are congruent. The angles stay the same. That's what gives it the same shape. And then the proportional sides, that means you've used a multiplication factor on the sides. Now, is AD equal to WZ? So is this AD in red equal to WZ in red? You can plainly see that they're not equal to each other, so that is not true. Does AB correspond to WX? So is this the corresponding sides? Yes, it is. So you need to be very clear on these meanings of congruent and proportional and corresponding sides.